In this video, I'll show you how to quickly download and install the Blinkit shopping app on your Android phone. Open up the Play Store app, make sure you're signed in, and search for the app. So type in Blinkit. From the results, click on the Blinkit app. This opens up the app's page with relevant information, reviews, compatibility, the number of downloads, etc. Once you're happy with that, click on the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone. Once it's downloaded, it'll then start installing to your phone. Once the app's ready to go, you can click on the blue open button to open the app direct from within the Play Store. And there you are. As you can see, you're inside the app now. If you come out of the app and scroll through all the downloaded and installed apps, you just want to double check that a shortcut icon has been created, which, as you can see, it's there on my screen. So I'll click that just to make sure that it also loads from there. And that's how you download and install the Blinkit app on your Android mobile phone.